Welcome back, this is Sanju's Robotics Studio. Today we are going to see how to create a database in Google Firebase. For that, you first need to go to the Google Firebase website and click Go to Console. Click Add Project and enter the name of your project. And click Continue. Select Enable Google Analytics for this project and click Continue. Select Default Account for Firebase and click Create Project. Wait until your project is created. Now your project is ready. Click Continue and the project page opens. Now click on Database section. Scroll down and select Real-Time Database and click Database, Create Database. Enable Start in Test Mode and click Enable. And now your database is ready. We can use this database for projects using NodeMCU, Arduino, etc. We will see how to use this database for projects in the upcoming videos. Until then, see you on our next video.